Wake up guys! Kung ang lunar eclipse ang magpapatunay na bilog ang mundo dahil ang bilog na anino ng Earth ay tumatakip sa buwan, guluhin muna natin ang paniniwala ninyo. Sabi ng science, ang araw, Earth at buwan ay nag-a-align perfectly. So, nasa gitna tayo. At ang bilog na anino ng Earth ang tumatakip sa buwan tuwing lunar eclipse. So, paano nangyari ito? Nangyari ito noong January 2019. Pansin ninyong mabuti ang direksyon ng anino. Ito ay papunta sa kanan at lumabas naman na pababa. So imagine ninyo ang galaw ng mundo natin kung ganyan na naging direksyon ng anino ng Earth natin sa buwan. At isa pa, ang tinatawag na Selenilion Lunar Eclipse. Ito ay ang pangyayari na makikita mo mismo ng sabay ang araw at ang buwan sa langit or above the horizon habang nangyayari ang lunar eclipse. Ito ay napaka-imposible sa globe heliocentric model na makita natin ang araw at ang buwan ng sabay dahil sila ay 180 degrees perfectly aligned in a straight line para matakpan ng anino ng Earth ang buwan. Ang eksplanasyon ng mainstream science, refraction lang daw ito at ito ay optical illusion lamang. Ang totoo, ito daw ay nasa ibaba at wala sa line of sight natin. Tumataas daw ang araw at ang buwan dahil sa atmospheric refraction. Kaya natin sila nakikita ng sabay. Inaalis na naman ng science ang ating common sense at niloloko lang daw tayo ng ating hayagang nakikita at ng ating sariling mga mata. O sige, pagbigyan na natin. Kunwari tunay. Pero ipaliwanag nila ito. Ang anino ng lunar eclipse na ito ay nanggaling sa itaas, pababa. So paano magiging anino ito ng mundo natin? Ito ang nakikita nyo. Pero dapat kung nandito ang araw at nandito ang buwan, dapat manggaling sa baba ang anino ng mundo natin. Dahil ang liwanag ng araw dapat ang nasa itaas ng buwan. Panoorin nyo ang eksplanasyon ng taong ito na naniniwala sa globe Earth.
So it's December 10th, about 6:30 in the morning, and behind me is a full moon, which will soon be going into a full lunar eclipse as it sets, kind of a rare experience, while at the same time behind us, the sun is already beginning to rise. So it's going to be a very interesting and beautiful experience. Now it's 6:55, and as you can see, we're getting a little bit brighter out here. You can see the shadow creeping across the moon. It's a little hard to see, I'm showing the camera, but from here, we can see it nice and clearly. It's about a third of the way covered. The moon's starting to turn nice and orange. You can see it's practically day here yet. We still have the moon out, which is slowly eclipsing. So it's now about 7:04 a.m. But through the stacks of the refinery factor, we can just barely make out a little bit of the moon left. It's about 2/3 the way covered with Earth shadow, and it's turning a sort of pale orange pinkish color. But with the bright morning sun coming up, there's not much. Not enough contrast to be able to see the moon there. We can still see it just a little bit. What I find very interesting is I was expecting the shadow to come upward, across the moon as it would go down and it would pass its shadow. And actually, it's going the other way around. The shadow, as the moon is here, the shadow is creeping down. The shadow's creeping down across the moon. Even though the sun's coming up over here, and that must be because of the moon's rotation around the Earth. It's moving farther up, even though the sun's light is actually coming from over there. It's actually coming underneath the Earth. So if you imagine the sun is here, the Earth is here, and the moon is back here, and this light was coming under the Earth, but the moon must be rotating around even though we're turning, so it looks like the moon is going down. It's kind of an optical illusion. It's pretty cool.
Wow! Grabe ang mental gymnastics ng eksplanasyon na ginawa niya para umakma lamang ito sa sinasabi ng science na itinuro sa atin simula pagkabata. Ganito kagrabe ang epekto ng mga itinuro sa atin sa pamamagitan ng ating educational school system. Sa susunod kong video, pag-usapan natin ang history ng ating educational school system at kung paano tayo nahubog sa ating mga pinaniniwalaan at mga pinangahawakang katotohanan. Gising na kayo, aba? Siya, Barak Yahuwah, entertainment purpose only. So please don't ban me. Matulog lang kayo dyan.